How to connect Payoneer to Shopify step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can connect your Payoneer to your Shopify in the easiest and most simplest way possible. So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to come over to our Shopify as so. Okay, and once we are in our Shopify, what's going to happen from here is you're simply going to go ahead and log into your account. Okay, it shouldn't take a lot of time. Okay, it's a pretty quick two-step hefty process, so we're going to be going through with that. Now once we do that, what's going to be happening from there is it's going to bring you here where it's going to give you all these things. Get ready to sell. Here's a guide to get started. As your business grows, you'll get fresh and tips and insights, the usual. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to go ahead and add the Payoneer checkout to our Shopify. But how do we do that? How is that possible? Let me show you. You're going to come to your settings, and once you come to your settings, what you're going to want to do from there is you're going to click on payments. And once you click on payments, what's going to happen from there is you're going to go to supported payment methods and click on add payment method. And here you're going to search by provider, and you're going to search in Payoneer. Okay, you're going to search in Payoneer and it should give you the Payoneer checkout. Okay, now in the case that it does not give you the Payoneer checkout, that's probably because your location or your store's location is not accessible. Okay, or maybe Payoneer is not available in that region. So the best thing to do in that case or in that occasion is to either change your location or go with any other provider. So as you can see in my current location, it's not giving me Payoneer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to store details. Okay. And once we come to store details, we're going to go to billing info and we're going to go to country, and I'm going to change it to a country where they will give the, necessary things. So once we do this, I'm going to go ahead and save this address. Once this is done, I'm going to click on save. The settings have been saved. Now we're going to go to payments. And now that we come in payments, we're going to go to supported payment methods, search by provider. And again, we're going to search up Payoneer. So once you search up Payoneer, as I stated, it will give you the Payoneer checkout. And in the case it doesn't give you the Payoneer checkout in this section, it will give it to you in the main payment methods. Okay. Now, as you can see, once you get Payoneer checkout, you're going to click on it and you're going to click on it again. And once you click on these, it's going to bring you here. So about Payoneer checkout, etc. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on install. And while that happens, what you're going to want to do is we're going to create an account with Payoneer. Okay, now creating an account with Payoneer is pretty simple. Obviously, I assume that you already have an account, but in the case that you don't have an account, this is how you're going to do it. So you're going to come to Payoneer's website. You're going to click on register. It says choose the right Payoneer account for your business type. So I'm going to go with e-commerce seller because obviously that's what we're doing on Shopify. Then it says choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. So I'm going to go with I'm just getting started. Then it says e-commerce seller. So I'm going to click on register and we're going to get right into Payoneer. All right. So once we're over here, it's going to ask us our first name, last name, all the necessary things that are needed. Then you have your email address. So we're just going to enter that. And then you have your date of birth. So we're simply going to go ahead and add all these details. And once we add all of this for ourselves, we're going to click on next. So once we do that, it brings us here onto contact details where we have country, street number, etc. So you're going to give them your phone number to which they will send a verification code on. And once you do all of this, it gives you your security details and all the necessary stuff to, get your account up and running. And once all of that is done, that basically sets up your Payoneer account. Now, obviously, once your Payoneer account is set it up, you're going to click on install. And once you click on install, it's going to bring you to Shopify's very own admin space where it's going to allow you to add Payoneer to your checkout section. So simply, we're going to come here and click on install like this. And once we click on install, it's going to, as I stated, bring us to the admin. Here we are. So Payoneer checkout, you are not accepting payments with Payoneer checkout currently because obviously right now it's not activated. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on manage account. And once you click on manage account, obviously you're going to sign in with the current account that you just created. Okay. Your basic e-commerce P2P account. So once we do this, we're going to click on sign up. Now, in the case that it does some issues with the passwords, you can simply go ahead and fill this in. And once you fill this in, it's gonna be pretty much good to go. But in the case that you have recurring issues like this, it's not too big of an issue. Okay, you can simply go ahead and forget your password and redo it all over again. It's pretty simple. But yeah, once you go through with all of this, what it's going to do is it's going to bring you here, and it's going to connect the account. Now, once your accounts are connected and all the necessary things are integrated with each other, that will connect your Payoneer to your Shopify, and that will start the integration between them. It will start the working between them, basically. So that's how these things work. So yeah, that is the basic idea of connecting your Payoneer to your Shopify. And obviously, once things are connected, you can simply go ahead and do tons and tons of things with it. And by things, I mean obviously e-commerce transactions. And the best thing about this is that Payoneer is a great currency converter as well. So let's say if you want your money in Great British pounds, but you get it in US dollars, you can actually convert it. And the conversion rate is pretty good. And, you can convert it at any currency that you want, which is the best part about Payoneer. You just have to, you could say, keep a set currency that, okay, I want money in this range. Don't go above it. Don't go below it, please. And once you let it know that, it's going to convert the money, and, you're going to have a good experience with Payoneer. So that's the general idea about Shopify and Payoneer. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know how this worked for you when you tried connecting your Payoneer with your Shopify. And again, as I stated, if the issue arises that it does not appear for you in supported payment methods, do make sure to change your store's business location if you want to, okay? Because changing your store's business location is not a small thing. It does go ahead and use a bit of your store's working a little differently, so do choose it wisely. But once you do it, what's going to happen from there is you're simply going to go ahead and choose your supported payment methods, and everything should be good to go. So yeah, that's the general idea about how you are going to be connecting your Payoneer to Shopify. If you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making more for you. Till then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.